Before buying Villa Galé Global, there are 7 key things you need to know, especially when comparing it to competitors in the hospitality and tourism industry. Stay tuned to the end because I'll reveal some unique offers you won't find anywhere else and why Villa Galé might be the perfect choice for your next vacation or business getaway. First off, Villa Galé offers a unique blend of luxury and affordability, which is a rare combination in the hotel and resort market. Unlike other international chains like Hilton or Marriott, Villa Galé gives a more personalized experience with the same level of comfort, but often at a lower price point. Whether you're looking for a beachside escape or a more cultural city stay, their diverse properties across Portugal, Brazil, and beyond make them stand out in the crowded market. Next thing to consider is their all-inclusive options. When comparing to competitors like Iberostar or Rio Hotels, Villa Galé's all-inclusive packages provide exceptional value. Most of their resorts offer high-quality dining, free drinks, and various leisure activities included in the price, which makes it a great option for families and travelers who want everything covered up front. The third thing is their sustainability efforts. As travelers become more eco-conscious, Villa Galé is keeping up with this trend by making significant strides in sustainability. They have committed to reducing their environmental impact, investing in energy-efficient technologies, and sourcing local, organic products for their restaurants. This focus on sustainability is something that sets them apart from other large chains that are still catching up in this area. The fourth thing you need to know is their customer service. Villa Galé has a reputation for going the extra mile to ensure guests feel welcomed and valued. This level of service can sometimes be hit or miss with larger hotel chains, but Villa Galé consistently receives high praise for its attentive staff and personalized touch. This is one of the reasons many loyal guests return year after year. Next, Villa Galé offers a range of wellness and spa services. For those looking to relax and rejuvenate, they have fantastic spa facilities in several of their resorts. Whether you're looking for a soothing massage, a wellness retreat, or fitness programs, their offerings are often more comprehensive than what you'd find at other resorts in the same price range. The sixth thing is their prime locations. Villa Galé properties are strategically placed in some of the most desirable locations. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat in the Algarve or a vibrant city break in Rio, they have properties in both prime tourist areas and serene, off-the-beaten-path destinations. This gives you the flexibility to choose exactly the type of environment you want, which not all competitors can offer. Finally, Villa Galé's loyalty program is something you'll want to pay attention to if you're a frequent traveler. Unlike some other brands that offer limited perks, Villa Galé's loyalty program offers exclusive discounts, priority bookings, and access to special promotions. It's one of the most rewarding loyalty programs in the industry, making them a top contender when you're considering where to stay on your next trip. Now that you know what sets Villa Galé apart from the competition, you might be wondering how you can try it out for yourself. The good news is that you can get an exclusive offer to try Villa Galé Global for free by clicking the first link in the description below. This is your chance to experience their exceptional service and incredible locations without the risk. If you're ready to book your next getaway with Villa Galé, or if you want to get the best free trial for their services, don't miss out on the offer in the description below. Click the link to get started and enjoy exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere.